Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there is, of course, a link right down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. No idea. I know of a lot of what's coming in, but I just don't know who sent what, and it's hard to keep. This was sent by Rodolfo. So we'll see if there's more information inside. Packing material. Oh, okay. Alright. Well packed. Yay, a note. I love notes. If you ever send me something and you leave me a note, it makes me so happy. Alright, hang on. One sec. Awesome, MC. Love the channel. Thanks for all the content you provide to the community. Well, thank you for watching. Like yourself, I'm a big Hinderer fan. Here is my... Ooh, okay. Well, you guys probably have seen the thumbnail. XM Slippy Vintage. I think it's a great gentleman's carry for when I don't need and or want to carry an XM18 3.5 inch non-flipper forward spear or my little tank Warney half track. Awesome. Thank you so much, Rudy. Thank you very much. If you see him down in the comments section, make sure you give him a like. There we go. And very well packed. Let's just make a very delicate cut right there. Release some of that tape. There we go. All right. Got the smaller box here. This is one of the only Hinderers that I have not handled. Cool. All right. So this is the XM18 Slippy, and this particular one is a vintage series. Ooh, boy. Spring on that is definitely powerful. Okay. So this is absolutely a Hinderer XM18 profile, but it's smaller. It's thinner in terms of the blade stock. It's thinner in terms of the scales. The standard version of this knife does not come with the wood or the 01 tool steel. For anybody who doesn't know, Hinderer has a vintage line where he uses an older, the steel is, it's steel that's been around forever. 01 tool steel has been around for a very long time. But it sort of goes along with the whole vintage theme, and then he uses, the liners are titanium as far as I know. Well, actually, gosh, on this, are they steel? Let's find out. Well, the back spring is. No, those are titanium. Okay. Absolutely. And then he sort of adds a vintage sort of, it's like I think he calls this battle green, but he does that to the hardware, and then the steel hardware is aged, right, to give it sort of a bronzy look. Really nice. Real quick here, I'm just going to get out one of my XMs so we can take a look here real quick. I should have, if I'd have known that this is what was in here, I'd have had this ready to go. We'll get out this guy. Here's an XM18 3.5 inch standard thickness. So the Slippy appears to be much closer to the size of the 3-inch XM. In fact, I think it's, gosh, I bet it's almost exactly the same size as the 3-inch. So there you go. Camera's zoomed way out, but there you go. And then as far as the spine goes, yeah, I think the standard 3-inch XM18, the one that's not a slip joint, is about 145 thousandths on the spine. This guy looks more like 125 thousandths, which means, oh yeah. Yeah, nice and thin behind the edge. This is what some people are talking about. The mid-stop area is a little bit mushy, but it does snap into place pretty readily. That's cool. I do like the little adjustable thumb disc thing. Does exactly what you think. You can adjust it, move it down here if you want. I think that's probably... I think I would move it down here. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it where he has it. Really cool. This is just initial thoughts sort of thing. After a few weeks, I will do a full comprehensive review, about 20 minutes, where I tell you guys, all my thoughts. You can absolutely pick these knives up right now. I think they are, well, I think they're available. If they are, I'll link them down below. I'll also link Hinderer knives in general, so you guys can check out, the full-size model, the XM24, the 3-inch, all that stuff, right? But yeah, this is cool. I'm glad to add this or eventually I'll be able to add this to my Hinderer playlist. If you don't know, I'm a huge Hinderer fan on this channel. There are very few Hinderer models that I have not checked out. If you want to check out everything that I've taken a look at, if you're curious about any Hinderer model, you can check out my Hinderer Knives playlist on my YouTube channel. So you can go through and see what else I've reviewed. I think this and the Nieves Balisong are two of the only knives that I have not checked out. The MP1, at the time of this recording, that review is not up yet, but it is coming. Everything else I've taken a look at and multiple variants of it. So, yeah, it's a one-stop for Hinderer stuff. But this is cool. I'm glad that this is here. Anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.